International Stadium run down and repair saga continues, and people are getting nervous for the availability and indeed the suitability of the stadium for the foreseeable future. Not only is the inimitable Lionel Messi now set to grace the stadium turf, but the bigger and more direct concern is, will the track be relayed and ready in time for boys and girls champs? All things considered, including the weather, people are not just nervous, cold sweat start wash for the initial leg of the Grand Slam track series set for the week after champs. So all in all, we are facing another frantic race against time for the track to be fully ready, all in the full view of a massive local and international audience. So it is plain for everyone to see that once again, we are cutting it too close. We are cutting it too close.